So I saw this dress on Pinterest and bought the fabric to make the dress. If you guys have ever worked with organza, you would know how hard it is to arrange the fabric while the fan is turned on. And guys, I live in Pakistan, Lahore, where the weather is extremely hot, and I had to work while the fan was turned off. So I changed my mind to make the flowers for the top of the dress. Then I scoured the internet to find something that would go well with this bottom of the dress that I made, and I came across something, this sage green dress from Miss Josephine. And then I started making the top of the dress. I added pleats on the top. In the video they made it look so easy to make this top, but it took me 2 days to make the top and hand sewing all the pleats on it. Then I started making the flowers. I only made 6 flowers because I had to turn off the fan because these little pieces of organza were flying all over the place when I would turn on the fan, and I was sweaty. I was so sweaty. I attached the flowers on the shoulders, and this is how the dress turned out. Hope you like it.